Now the second problem for finding value of k is find value of unknown k for the following distribution. So they have given us this as PMF with x and corresponding p of x. So these are values of x and these are their corresponding probabilities. So from above distribution I wrote here p of x equal to 0 is 0. For x equal to 1 it's k, probability of x equal to 2 it is 2k, probability of x equal to 3 it is 3k, and so on. So by definition of PMF I can say summation of p of x equals to xi, where I running from 1 to 7. Why this I running from 1 to 7? So this is, you will consider this, there are how many? Oh sorry, I want this I equals to 0 to 7. It should be 0 to 7 because x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So all these probabilities should be equals to 1, or sum of all these probabilities should be equal to 1. So here the first probability is 0, second is k, third is 2k, fourth is 3k, and so on. This is equals to 1. So if I consider sum of all these probabilities, so I'll get 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equal to 0, which is quadratic equation in k. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation, then only we will get solution of given problem. So how do I do it? So I want that 10 into minus 1, so its product should be equals to minus 10 and addition should be equals to 9. So find out two numbers such that their product is minus 10 but addition is plus 9. So if I consider two numbers, 10 and minus 1 gives me its product as 10 into minus 1 equals to minus 10 and 10 minus 1 equals to plus 9. So these are my two numbers. So here I will expand that 9k as 10k minus k. So from this first two terms 10k is common term. So here the remaining part is k plus 1. If I consider minus 1 as common term, I'll get this k plus 1. So here it is k plus 1, here it is k plus 1. So I will wrote it as once and the remaining part is 10k minus 1 in another bracket. So it is equals to 0. So when we have this product equal to 0, so if this first is equals to 0 or the second equal to 0 or both are 0. So let us consider this 10k minus 1 equal to 0 and this k plus 1 equal to 0. So what we will get for this k plus 1 equal to 0? Value of k equals to minus 1, which is not possible. Why? Because this k is corresponding to probability of given function. Probability never negative, right? Therefore I'll get value of k as 1 by 10. So answer of this question is 1 by 10. As we get two values of k, one value is satisfying one, another is non-satisfying one. So finally our value of k is 1 by 10. I hope you understood this problem. So in first problem we have only the probabilities in terms of k, but here we have the quadratic form, right? So previous problem was simple and compared to previous problem, this is again the simple problem, but compared to previous this is quite difficult. It's not difficult actually, but we'll have to think about this k, right? So we will continue the next type in next slide. Okay.